What is the value of the expression 2 to the power of 2 minus open parenthesis 88 divided by 22 times 2 close parenthesis, then divided by 2 squared? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? 98% of people get to read and choose the wrong answer. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. At the beginning, many people go straight to the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. And they immediately perform the multiplication between 22 and 2 because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they simplify this expression and write it as 2 to the power of 2 minus 88 divided by 44 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, they move on to the division between 88 and 44 and replace this expression with 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by 2 squared. Then, they go to the exponents and simplify this expression to 4 minus 2 divided by 4. And the final step, they go for the division between 2 and 4 because they believe division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 4 minus 0.5, which finally gives them the answer 3.5. Then, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression 2 to the power of 2 and simplify to 4 minus 88 divided by 22 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, they focus on the expression inside the parentheses and solve with the division between 88 and 22. So, they simplify this expression to 4 minus 4 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. Then, they perform the multiplication between 4 and 2 inside the parentheses and write this expression as 4 minus 8 divided by 2 squared. Next, they do the subtraction between 4 and 8 and simplify this expression to negative 4 divided by 2 squared. And the final step, they handle the exponent and write this expression as negative 4 divided by 4, which ultimately gives them the answer negative 1. And they conclude that option A is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by parentheses, then a division sign, and finally another exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we should start with the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. And inside the parentheses, first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we do the division between 88 and 22. And this expression simplifies to 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 2 inside the parentheses, then divided by 2 squared. And the next step, we handle the multiplication between 4 and 2. And this expression simplifies to 2 to the power of 2 minus 8 divided by 2 squared. Next, it's time to handle the exponents, because according to the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 4 minus 8 divided by 4. And the final step, we perform the division between 8 and 4, because division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, this expression simplifies to 4 minus 2, which finally gives us the answer 2. That's great. Option B is the correct answer to this question.